Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the 2026 CFMOTO 800 metric tons X, the adventure motorcycle that's turning heads in 2026. Rugged, powerful, and packed with technology, this bike promises to redefine long-distance touring and off-road adventure. Design and build. The 800 metric tons X features a bold, aggressive design that balances style and function. Its aerodynamically sculpted bodywork not only looks modern but also improves wind protection for long rides. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and comfortable seat make it perfect for hours on the road or trails. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 800 metric tons X packs a parallel twin 800 cubic centimeters engine with smooth power delivery and impressive torque. Whether cruising highways or climbing steep trails, the engine provides strong acceleration without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Coupled with a responsive 6-speed transmission, the bike feels agile despite its adventure-ready build. Suspension and handling. CFMOTO equips the 800 metric tons X with long travel suspension, adjustable front forks, and a sturdy rear shock. This setup allows it to handle rough terrain and highway curves with confidence. Its lightweight chassis and advanced braking system provide excellent stability and control, even under heavy loads. Technology and features. The 2026 800 metric tons X is loaded with rider-focused tech, TFT display with navigation, smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, ABS, traction control, and cruise control. These features enhance safety, convenience, and versatility, making the 800 metric tons X ideal for both adventure seekers and touring enthusiasts. Verdict. The 2026 CFMOTO 800 metric tons X is more than just a motorcycle, it's a complete adventure package. With a perfect blend of power, comfort, and technology, it's ready to tackle any road or trail. If you're looking for a versatile adventure bike that won't break the bank, the 800 metric tons X deserves serious consideration.